Are you ready to start your SIV journey with confidence? At Jahed Net, we are here to make the Special Immigrant Visa, SIV, process as simple and fast as possible. With expert consultation and personalized support, we ensure that you are never alone throughout the entire process. From the moment you reach out to Jahed Net, we'll be by your side, guiding you every step of the way to success. Comprehensive services offered by Jahed Net for your SIV process. White heavy checkmark expert consultation and step-by-step guidance. The Jahed Net team will accompany you through every phase of the SIV process, helping you understand all the requirements and steps involved. White heavy checkmark document preparation and form completion. Jahed Net assists you in collecting and preparing all necessary documents and forms for your SIV application. White heavy checkmark support in obtaining letters of recommendation. Jahed Net helps you secure a proper LOR from the right authorities to ensure your application goes smoothly. White heavy checkmark interview preparation and application follow-up. Jahed Net will fully prepare you for your consular interview and ensure continuous follow-up on your application until approval. White heavy checkmark legal and immigration advice. Jahed Net provides legal support to ensure all your documents are filled correctly and in compliance with U.S. immigration laws. Why choose Jahed Net for your SIV process? Checkmark extensive experience in SIV applications. With years of experience, the Jahed Net team understands the intricacies of the SIV process and knows exactly how to handle every case effectively. Checkmark personalized services. At Jahed Net, each case is handled personally, ensuring that all services are tailored to meet your specific needs. Checkmark speed and efficiency. Jahed Net understands the importance of time and works swiftly to ensure your application progresses without delay. Checkmark full support for your family. If you are applying for an SIV, your family members can also join the process. Jahed Net will ensure their applications are handled properly. Checkmark legal guidance. If you face any challenges, the Jahed Net team is here to provide legal advice to ensure your case is completed correctly. The SIV process, step by step. 1. Eligibility check and document collection. Jahed Net will assist you in determining your eligibility for the SIV and gather the necessary documents for your application. 2. Application submission to U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Jahed Net will help you prepare and submit your application to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate correctly. 3. Security and background checks. After submitting your application, Jahed Net will guide you through any security or background checks involved in the process. 4. Consular interview. Jahed Net will help you prepare thoroughly for your consular interview to ensure you succeed. 5. Visa approval and travel. After approval, Jahed Net will assist you in arranging travel and ensure a smooth transition to the U.S. 6. Post-arrival assistance. Upon arrival in the U.S., Jahed Net will help you with housing, employment, and community support to make your transition easy. Get in touch with us today to begin your SIV process. The opportunity for a new life in the U.S. is in your hands, and Jahed Net will be by your side to help you navigate this process without stress and delay. Email us, ahmedmasoudyat400@gmail.com. Telephone receiver WhatsApp number, 077-265-3732. With Jahed Net, you'll have a dedicated partner guiding you every step of the way through the SIV process. Let's make this journey together. Like this video and subscribe this channel.